Hello students, today we are going to discuss about chapter 3rd B, uniformly accelerated motion, module number 7. Now we are going to discuss about what is accelerated motion. What is accelerated motion? When a vehicle moving on a road, its velocity changes from one position to another position at every instant of time, that is called accelerated motion. At point A, the object is moving with acceleration 5 meter per second square, 5 meter per second. At B, 7 meter per second. At C, 10 meter per second, and D point, that is 15 meter per second. So accelerated motion, when an object moving on a road, its velocity changes at every instant of time while going from point A to point D. That is called accelerated motion. There are two types of accelerated motion. First one is uniformly accelerated motion. Uniformly accelerated motion. Second, non-uniformly accelerated motion. Non-uniformly accelerated motion. In uniformly accelerated motion, velocity of an object going from one position to another position is remain constant. Velocity of an object will remain constant. That is called uniformly accelerated motion. Next one is non-uniformly accelerated motion. Velocity of an object changes at every instant of time while going from position A to position B. That is called non-uniformly accelerated motion. Velocity changes at every instant of time. Every instant of time, called non-uniformly accelerated motion. Now, what is acceleration? Acceleration is defined as rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Acceleration defined as rate of change of velocity. Rate of change of velocity called acceleration. So acceleration is equal to change in velocity divided by time taken. Change in velocity upon time taken, that is acceleration. Acceleration may be positive, negative, or zero. Positive, negative, or zero. if positive acceleration, then velocity of an object changing or increasing at every instant of time, that is called positive acceleration. Velocity of an object, velocity of an object increasing, velocity of an object increasing at every instant of time, that is called positive acceleration. Positive acceleration means velocity of the object, time velocity or velocity of the object increasing at every instant of time, that is called positive acceleration. If velocity of the object decreasing at every instant of time, that is called negative acceleration. Velocity of the object decreasing at every instant of time, that is called negative acceleration. Time velocity. In third case, velocity remain constant. If velocity remain constant, does not change with time, then that is called zero acceleration. Acceleration is zero. Velocity does not change with time, that is called zero acceleration. If velocity of an object decreasing with time, that is called negative acceleration. If velocity of an object increasing with time, that is called positive accelerations. Dimensional formula. Dimensional formula. We know that acceleration, that is equal to change in velocity upon my time. Change in velocity upon my time. Dimensional formula of velocity, as we know in previous chapter, L t minus 1 divided by time, that is t. So dimensional formula L t minus 2. L t minus 2 units. In SI system, length is measured in meter and time is measured in second, meter per second square. In CGS system, in CGS system, length is measured in centimeter and time is measured in second square, centimeter per second square. Types of motion. First is uniformly accelerated motion. Uniform acceleration. Uniform acceleration. Types. First, uniform acceleration. Uniform acceleration. An object is said to be moving with uniform acceleration. An object is said to be moving with uniform acceleration if its velocity changes by equal amount in equal interval of time. That is called uniform acceleration. An object is said to be moving with uniform acceleration. Uniform acceleration. If its velocity changes if its velocity changes by equal amount in equal interval of time, an object is said to be moving with uniform acceleration if its velocity changes equal amount in equal interval of time, that is called uniform acceleration. Uniform acceleration means time, that is velocity, and that is first 1 second, velocity 5 meter per second, second 1 second, velocity 10 meter per second, third second, velocity 15 meter per second. Velocity changes equal amount in equal interval of time, that is called uniform acceleration. Second is variable acceleration. Variable acceleration. An object is said to be moving with uniform acceleration. An object is said to be moving with variable acceleration. If its velocity changes by equal amount in unequal interval of time. Its velocity changes in equal amount by unequal interval of time. Therefore, that is velocity, that is time, and third one is average acceleration. Average acceleration. Average acceleration. Average acceleration means an object moving with variable accelerations. An object moving with variable acceleration. That is velocity, that is time. Object is moving with variable velocity. Variable velocity means moving from O to B. Let us consider 2 points on this graph corresponding to time t1 and t2. Corresponding to time t1, that is point C, that is point D. This point is called C1, this point is called D. This point is called D2, this point is called C. Slope of this graph OB, slope of this graph E point. ED1 slope of velocity time graph, which is equal to acceleration. Slope of velocity time graph, that is equal to acceleration. Slope of velocity time graph, that is d1e divided by c1e, that is slope, which is equal to acceleration. This is final velocity of the object, this is initial velocity. Change in velocity, that is change in time. Delta v divided by delta t, that is average acceleration. Average acceleration. So average acceleration is when an object is moving with variable acceleration. When an object is moving with variable acceleration, slope of velocity time graph is called average acceleration. Now fourth one is instantaneous acceleration. Instantaneous acceleration. Instantaneous acceleration is limiting value of average acceleration, that is called instantaneous acceleration. Limiting value. Limit delta t tends to 0, delta v divided by my delta t, that is equal to dv divided by my dt. Therefore, instantaneous acceleration d by my dt into v, that is equal to dx divided by my dt. V is equal to dx divided by my dt. Therefore, d2x divided by my dt square. That is instantaneous acceleration. Now next one is velocity time graph of an accelerated motion. Velocity time graph of an accelerated motion. Velocity time graph. Velocity time graph of an accelerated motion. First, A. When object moving with constant velocity. When object is moving with zero acceleration or constant velocity. When object moving with constant acceleration. Object moving with constant acceleration. Time, that is velocity, constant acceleration. Constant acceleration means no change in velocity. That is constant acceleration. Second, when object moving with constant positive acceleration. Constant positive acceleration. Constant positive acceleration. Constant positive accelerations, that is time, that is velocity, constant positive acceleration. Origin A, B. Constant positive acceleration. Third, when object is moving with positive constant with some initial velocity. Positive constant with some initial velocity. Now velocity time OAB, D point, object moving with constant negative velocity. Constant negative velocity. Now velocity time constant negative velocity, A, B, the origin, E point, constant negative velocity with some initial velocity. Now this is the velocity, this is the time, constant negative velocity with some initial velocity, with some initial velocity. This is negative velocity, this is the positive velocity, and this is initial velocity O, initial negative velocity, that is thank you. Have a nice day.